Hello friends, here we are taking a walk in our garden, and as you can see here we have a very nice autumn landscape. Here you can see it's a practice target where I used to shoot my Gamo Elite Premium rifle. It's a Gamo rifle, it's air rifle, and it's very fun to shoot. Also, this garden is very, let's say, undercover, cannot be spotted from outside what you are doing inside, so it's very fun here to stay and just relax and shoot with your air rifles. We cannot use gun for real bullets because these are making a lot of noise. Anyway, take a look and enjoy the scenery. I hope you like it. Please let me know your thoughts in the comments. Nice day. Bye bye.